No, you're good. It's on starting soon. They can hear us though.
Okay, good. I'm just logging into my account. I really would rather not have
I'll need you to
someone
check
just.
the audio. Actually, check the audio off this because I'm gonna mute it again real quick. And guys, we're going to be starting in a few minutes. We're getting some final stuff set up on the stream. We are going to be doing a Q&A on here, so if you guys would like to leave some questions in the comments, I'll be pulling the comments up here shortly. Okay, check in a second. Okay, you're on, so say something.
Okay, this is a test. Ignore me. Really would rather not. Here, I should probably put my screen back up.
Yeah, you should. And screen coming live. Here we go.
Oh, wait.
Hold on. Ready? Can we go back now?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. We're live. They can see my screen, your screen, and my video. Which is not on my screen, but the live chat. But I'm gonna go to. We'll go to what I have it on. Is it both? Is that the one? Is that what I'm looking for? Nope, that's mine. Skype, screen, camera. There we go. So, yep, we are live. I don't think anybody's watching yet. Somebody was for a second, but they quit.
I'm watching.
Yeah, no, but there were two playbacks. But then they were like, I quit. There's not shit going on. Got me some Dominoes. Got me
Who still have Domino's?
my Stream Deck. You can see the Stream Deck now. Look, hold on. Oop, fuck. Look in the stream. You can see it. Those are all the keys just for this. Everybody in the comments is like, you said Stream Deck. Or it sounds like you said Stream Deck. And they're gonna be like, it sounds like you said Stream Deck, but I actually did say Stream Deck.
Yeah. Okay. So you said you wanted to do a browser, huh?
Yeah, why not?
New project. It's been a while since I've done this, so I might be a little off, but I'm pretty sure I know what I'm doing. That's all that matters, right?
Yeah.
Let's see, we want a blank app, Universal Windows. What do you want the name of the browser to be?
Use all RAM. It's gonna be a Chrome. Shit, we should just make a Chrome extension.
I don't know how to do a. I cannot type. Jesus. Here, you might want to make the screen full.
I already did.
Oh, it just hasn't come up yet.
I wouldn't even have to. We wouldn't even have to make a Chrome extension to use all the RAM. We could just make a fake one that says use all RAM and.
Well, remember this is being based off of Internet Explorer because I'm using the framework from this.
No, I'm talking about. You said you didn't know how to make a Chrome extension. I was like, yeah, but you don't have to know how to make one to use all the RAM because it automatically applies when you open Chrome.
Why is my screen a square?
Because it is capturing the Skype window.
Oh.
And if I drag it out, it's gonna be like distorted. I think.
Yeah.
Let I mean, I can try. Hold on.
Because my camera's at the bottom, it's like it looks
weird.
weird.
Camera at the bottom is just what's coming from Skype.
What is this? Okay, so I haven't had to make a actual Windows Forms application in a while.
Actually, I might be able to get away with stretching it out.
So
go mouse all the way up to the top of your screen real quick. Okay, why is it mouse all the way to the bottom? I can't see the bottom. Oh yeah, I can. It's still not. It's like a widescreen format where there's bars on the top almost though.
Yeah, no, I can see it.
I mean, I dragged it out. It didn't really distort it. Mouse to the top again, so I can set the top of it. Oh shit, I can't see the top of it. Hold on. Yeah, that didn't distort it. We're good. I mean, tell me what you think, because it might.
Yeah, that's fine.
You see it all the way, because I dragged it all the way up.
Oh, it's just updated to wide. Well, I'll tell you in a little bit.
I mean, it's not distorted on the preview, so.
Yeah, problem is my camera's all fucked up now.
I mean, oh yeah, sure, shit. Wait, can I move that?
I don't know.
Oops, I can make it all. I can make it full screen.
Let's go on Twitter, guys.
I can't I can't move it. That's fine though. We'll be alright.
It's not like the scene on 20 you bought me is important at all. No.
I mean, I can switch the scene every once in a while so they can see you.
I know my face is ugly.
I have a screen and video one, which is both of us. But your screen's really small, then it's hard to see. Come on, let's get some viewers, boys. Retweet it.
Well, settings just opened it. I don't know why.
We'll open my Twitter too.
Oh, it's because I'm not in developer mode.
Why does my screen capture take forever to pop up? There we go. View upcoming live events. What? Can you retweet my tweet? I'm gonna retweet my own tweet.
Where's your tweet? There it is.
I don't want to copy the tweet. I want to copy the link. How do I?
I don't think you can copy the link on the actual
tweet.
Yeah.
I can copy the link to the tweet. I guess I can open it real quick. My tweet. I'm gonna retweet my tweet.
Where's your tweet?
Did I copy the link? I don't remember. Stupid Skype little window. If I close this little... Wait, no. Okay, we're good.
Wait, you actually have to install a damn package if you're using developer mode? The fuck is this shit?
Oh, did I forget to paste? Okay, no, I didn't.
So, when I installed Unity, I installed a package so I could develop for Facebook Game Room.
Puke.
And it is the stupidest thing in the world.
Well, you just said Facebook, so.
Yeah, I mean, that explains it in itself. I will not port any of my games to this. Because it was ad-ridden, broken, just a piece of shit overall.
How'd you get your start menu to look like that?
Using an application called Classic Start.
No.
I guess to open the old one. It's just I don't like the old one.
Can you use themes in Windows 10?
Yeah. Yeah, you could. I haven't even fucked with the new one. I mean, the old one.
Remember how we
Still.
installed XP on the VM, and all you would do is play with the themes?
Yeah. Let's be honest here. The Zune theme was the best theme.
I remember that one.
I can't get rid of the start menu.
Great. That's just great.
I literally can't get rid of it.
Guess you gotta go down to Windows 8 then.
I think it crashed.
Yeah, done broke Windows.
Oh shit.
We have a lot of chats. Hold on, let me pull up the chats.
I see no chats.
It just says there's 6 on the chat rate, so. Oh, it's Colton. Boy, we ain't playing no games right now. What are you looking at? He said play Truckers MP and get some dirty old Kenworth. I mean, I guess I could play Truckers MP while you code, and we could just like stream both, but that would be kind of sucky.
A little bit.
Oh, now you left.
Hey, guess what?
Hmm?
It's taking forever to do this fucking
Update.
No. What the hell is going on?
Your computer broke. Must be a hard drive failure.
What is this new like BS?
Rack. She acting up.
Yeah, Visual Studio is being a bitch.
Run like an Adobe program.
Pretty much.
Oh, I wonder if Austin's busy.
Don't fuck with him.
He said last time that
He is in
no, he's not.
Florida.
Oh, he is. Oh, yeah, that's right. I saw him on the train.
Check his Instagram.
Was that him on the train?
Hmm?
Didn't he? Oh no, he's at Disney, isn't he? Or Universal.
Yeah, no, Disney.
Well, I mean, did he take his crack book? He could stream from it.
Did he take his crack book? Just don't mess with the guy.
Does he not like being messed with?
Well, every time we stream, you're like, hey,
Hey,
bitch. Get a
But,
developer license? Hold up. Hold the fuck up.
What? Yeah, but
What
it's
is
like,
this?
is it free?
You
Oh,
need
yeah.
a developer license to develop Windows Store and Windows Phone apps.
It says severity information. What?
Oh.
That's gonna take you to settings. You know what that means? Gotta pay for it.
Oh, installing developer mode pack.
We should want Windows 10s.
This is completely true.
Like, what's the
Can I
point
make-
of? What's the, I don't. I just let's talk about this for a second. I don't understand the point of Windows 10. Okay, switch to your camera real quick. I don't understand the point of Windows 10s and then a $50 upgrade to Windows 10 Pro.
I don't either. I think it doesn't make any sense now. It's just a ploy. It's a Microsoft ploy.
Are these emails I'm getting from now? Hold on.
So your boy getting emails?
Yeah. Oh. Well, I got an email from my security camera saying there was motion detected in the driveway, and I was like, oh, that's weird. But it was like old emails that legit just came in. And I was like, why is there motion in the driveway? And kind of.
It's probably what the
No, it was like even before that. It was like hours ago. Let's go with the hell. But yeah, like okay, so hold on, let me put my camera. Nope, that's not what I want. Is that what I want? No, that's what I want. Okay, so yeah, like Windows 10s. Why? What's the point of other than like the performance stuff that they claim it has, like the, you know.
okay, so let's look at the claims. The claims so far have been what?
Well,
Stability.
they say that it will be stable, I guess, longer, and it will run better longer without having to do extra stuff to it.
Well, isn't it like the stability, the security, the
Yeah, but that's because,
usability?
but the only way they claim that is because you're using
The Windows Store,
You're only using Windows Store apps, yeah.
which means Microsoft is commandeering everything. By the way, the project loaded.
Oh, finally. Switch back to your screen. Yeah, like that's the only way they claim that.
And didn't someone already find an exploit in 10s anyways?
Probably.
Like, I'm pretty sure someone did.
I mean, it wouldn't surprise me.
No.
But yeah, like I mean, yeah.
Get out of here.
But so the thing is, like, my thing's the pricing though. So why would you include Windows 10s and then
No.
charge?
Before you say that, just remember for the first
It's
year
free.
from right now, it's free.
Yeah, but I'm not going on the first year. I'm just going on total time, like overall.
Like after this first year's
Yeah,
up.
yeah. Like okay, my thing is like, why would you include? It should always be free in my opinion because Windows 10s is a lower operating system than Home technically in my opinion because you can't do shit with it.
It
So
think of
S,
it as starter.
yeah, that's basically what it is. Like
If you
S,
remember that Windows 7 starter, Windows 10 home, Windows 7 home, Windows 7 professionals, Windows 7 enterprise.
yeah, like it should be under Home. So why are they charging $50? Like if you're gonna get Home, not Home, if you're gonna get S included on a device for free, like a why can't you have the option between S and Home without having to pay for an upgrade? Because why would you want to go from S to Pro and jump over Home but only have to pay $50? That's what I don't get. If you're skipping a whole like tier of operating system to go from Home to Pro, it's what, $99?
Probably, I think. I don't know.
I think it's 99. I can look right now.
So yeah, I'm doing that right now.
Okay, I already got it up. Let's see. Update.
Bitch. Your actual like running.
Where did they put it? Yeah, change product. No, that's not what I want. Go to store. $99 for Windows 10 Pro. But if you have S right now, that's not fair to people who have Home right now. Because you're going to get a crappy OS that you can't do anything with S. But people who paid or upgraded to Home can't upgrade to Pro. See, that should be like one of those things where when they did that, if they're going to make you go from S to Pro for $50, you should be able to go to Home to Pro for free to get those features. You know what I mean?
Yeah. In a sense,
it's just the pricing thing doesn't make sense because you're jumping over Home but only having to pay $50.
Yeah.
Or they could just be like Apple and make one OS and stop having to,
Well, that's what they're doing right now. What they're trying to do in a sense is
Apple makes. Okay, let's be honest here. Taking the hardware and the pricing of the hardware out of the equation. If you could run OS X on your hardware right now, which would you be running?
I've already said this in the past. Once I build my PC, it will be a half Hackintosh.
Yeah, exactly. So Apple has a better software, don't you agree?
Yes.
Like if you could buy a Mac for the same price you could buy like matching specs, buy a Apple hardware for the price of a PC, like a good quality PC, like maybe $800, i5, 16 gigs of RAM. I'm almost naming like a Mac on pretty basically, but
buy a Mac
really,
at a reasonable price.
Not even a reasonable price. If you had the money, would you buy a Mac at the price right now?
Probably, yeah.
Like, so it's not really a fact that you don't like Macs. It's not really a fact that people don't like Macs or prefer Macs. It's that they're too expensive for most people. Like the average user doesn't need a $2,000 laptop.
No.
That's the thing. It's not that when people say PCs are more popular, that's not, you can't really look at it that way though, because you can technically get a Windows 10 device that runs a Windows 10 desktop operating system. I mean, you can get those low as like what, under $100 at some point. Sometimes.
Yeah, you can get a tablet that runs Windows 10 for about $100.
Not even a tablet. You can get one of those mini HDMI desktop PCs.
Oh, like the sticks.
You pop into a TV that runs Windows 10, has an Atom processor, has full Windows 10 on it for like $149. So, the fact that Windows 10 is more popular doesn't say anything about Windows itself. It's just that you can get those devices cheaper, which make them more common among the average user who doesn't have $2,000 to spend on a computer. That's just how I look at it. They always say, "Oh, Macs are, not nobody has a Mac," but that's not necessarily true.
Yeah, no, it's really not.
It's more of, well, more people can afford PCs than Macs. More people, need an average, $500 desktop that they can check their email on than a $2,000 computer that can edit 4K video. I mean, pretty much everybody in the world, doesn't need a computer, but almost needs a computer. It's not a need, but it's a need. Basically nowadays it's a need.
Oh wow, I'm gonna have to remember some stuff.
Just forget what to do. Is that going to be the taskbar, not the taskbar, the URL bar, address bar?
Yeah. Hmm.
I'm going to change the title of the stream to
Two.
Coding, Talking Hardware, and Q&A, since we're talking about hardware. I can change the document settings.
Not the button I wanted to click.
What'd you click?
This.
I want to output it as a Windows application.
Well, you can export as like a console application or a class,
What would a console application be? Application that runs in console?
This. If you want, if you could be special and go notepad, let's call it shit.bat.
I can't find the applications. I'm lost.
Echo off. Echo. This is a steaming pile.
Well, I know we talked about this earlier, but while we're on stream, what's your opinion about the inability to find a GTX 1060 or 1070?
Because of Ethereum?
Show you guys here, yeah. Let's see, I'm going to go to Amazon, type in GTX 1060. Oops, without the slash. So you can see here we have an MSI 6 gig card, just a standard GeForce GTX 1060. Not in stock till July 12th. So it's out of stock. And then everything else on this page, other than the first item on the page, is not sold by Amazon. They're all third-party sellers. And here's another one, but that's a 1050 Ti. So everything else on this page is all third-party sellers. And then we go to 1070, and you can see here, the first one on the page is a 1070 for the win card, which also not available from Amazon. Does have some third-party sellers that offer Prime, but not available from Amazon themselves. If you want to order it from Amazon, it takes extra time to ship. We have a Zotac GeForce GTX Mini for this 8 gig card in stock on July 13th, so out of stock. Almost every card, other than something you would find from a third-party seller, is out of stock.
Hey, this is what a batch application is. It's fun. So here's the code for it. Not that bad, but you go here, Shit.bat. It just continuously types, this is a steaming pile of shit. Do I have a break key? No? Alt-Z? No.
So that kind of sucks because I want to get a GTA 1080, but I can't. Or not 1080. I get a GTA 1080, but that's kind of hard to justify the price. That's a little too much.
A GTA 1080?
A GTX 1080.
Oh.
Like, I don't need a GTX 1080 or a 1080 Ti, because when a 1050 Ti works perfectly fine, that's probably a little bit overkill for what I do.
What do you do again?
Nothing. I boot the computer up and walk away.
Yeah, just like doesn't even use it.
I built this $1,000 computer to boot it up and walk away. So are you the kind of person that leaves your computer on all the time?
Yeah.
I never shut my computer down. Like, it goes to sleep, obviously, but I never, like, fully shut it down.
Oh, mine doesn't even go to sleep.
Hard drive, dead. I don't remember the time mine was actually shut down. Like, other than, like, I don't consider a restart from Windows Update a shutdown. I know, like, an overall system uptime, that counts as, like, a restart, or, you know, it restarts that time. But I don't consider, like, that turning it off. Like, my computer's never off for an extended period of time. Like, the first week I had it, I would turn it off when I wasn't using it, just because I was like, oh, I don't want to wear the parts out, and then I'm like, fuck it. They don't even wear out. Like, can you really wear out a motherboard?
I'm not sure.
Like, I mean, are there any wear and tear parts on a motherboard? Like, maybe, like, capacitors, maybe? But 2017, they last a pretty long time. I mean, technically, if a capacitor fails, you could replace that anyway. Like, those aren't that hard to solder on. The first time I ever soldered, it was a capacitor on an iMac G5 motherboard, and it still worked after I did it. So, they're not that hard to do. At least in my, I mean, some people, you know, wouldn't be able to do it, but some people can't even, like, I don't, like, to me, I don't find building a computer hard, but some people can't even figure out what they're doing. Somebody said, do you play Minecraft?
Me or him?
Well, I answered him in the comments, but no, I don't really play Minecraft anymore. I used to play it on Xbox a lot when it was popular, but not in the past couple years now.
I own it, just don't play it.
I mean, we both own it, but like I own it on Xbox. I don't think I own it on PC. I probably have like a Mac copy somewhere, but I don't play it on PC. He said I do. That's cool.
Yeah, I see it. I own it on both PC and Xbox 360. I don't own the Xbox One version, but I also own the Xbox. I mean, not the Xbox, the Windows 10 version of Minecraft.
Wait, what's your channel?
Mine?
No, he said that's not my channel in the comments. I was wondering what he's talking about.
I don't see that. Oh, that
just popped up.
Oh, like the channel that he's typing with is the channel he plays Minecraft on.
Oh. I was like, what? But yeah, so yeah, I don't. Minecraft kind of got, like, I used to play with friends on Xbox. We used to do like different competitions and like building stuff and creating different worlds and stuff. But it got boring after a while. I didn't really like the way the Xbox servers worked, just because when your friend wasn't online and it was like his world that you had everything in, you couldn't access it. There was like no, like, you know, remote
servers.
You were all based on.
Hey, plug time. If you like Minecraft, you might like my upcoming game.
Yeah, we're developing a game.
So I'm working on developing a game right now. The first behind the scenes video should be up by this Thursday. So if you want to check it out, and I'm typing in chat, so just click on that. It should be up by Thursday. That's all I got to say.
Yeah.
Check itch. If you go to my channel, you can check itch.io or go to xenix.itch.io.
What did you just type in chat?
Oh no, I just typed it there so you can click on my name and go to my channel.
I was like, what?
If you would like.
You should have sent that as a super chat, Xenix.
Bitch, I already gave like $10 to Austin.
Nothing to me though. If you donated to the stream like as we were just streaming together, like, oh, I'm gonna comment and donate. That'd be kind of dumb.
No, Austin, when he did his like stream with friends, he didn't even know Super Chat was a thing.
Yeah, I've seen YouTubers like there was a YouTuber once. He's actually a police officer that does like vlogs and stuff. Officer 401, if anybody knows who that is. He did his first live stream, and he opened like you can open up just the chats or just the super chats, or you can do like both. And he opened up just the chats, and he like all these people sent like I think he made like $500 that one night of super chats, and he didn't recognize any of the people, and he felt so bad because he didn't know like what they were. He just thought they were just popping up different colors.
Oh
It was
boy.
pretty funny. Do you watch? If you look up the YouTube channel Fuzz Fam, the guy's a police officer. His wife left for I guess for work or wherever she was going, and she texts him. She goes, "You know your license plate's gone off your police car." Somebody came by his house in his driveway and stole the license plate off his police car.
That's asshole.
And they were not only was it a marked police car, but they were like exempt like government plates, which was it's kind of dumb. Like why it's not like you're gonna put that on anything and not get noticed.
Yeah, just slightly.
But he drives like his police department has like a program where like they can pay a little bit extra every month, and they can like use their car as like a personal car.
Yeah.
So he can drive it like within the city and stuff like that. Do you play any other games, starring Grook? Do you do Xbox or PS4 or any other PC games? But yeah, it was kind of dumb. Like, I don't know, you steal police car plates.
Yeah, that doesn't exactly seem the smartest.
The fact that you would just go into onto a police officer's property to steal something doesn't make sense.
Mm-mm.
Like, I'm gonna repo this car.
Okay, we should be ready to go coding. I mean, that's pretty much it.
Oh, you just had to put the blocks in, or what are they called?
Objects.
I don't know why I call them blocks. Whatever. They're square, that's probably why I said that.
I mean, technically you're not wrong.
I mean, they are square. Going coding, boys.
Oh, hold on. Can't go to Google. We have to go to Bing.
Why?
So right now, if we start the project, it should just bring you to Bing.
Why can't we use Google?
Because fuck Google.
Oh. Terrible. They're gonna shut the stream down now for saying that.
I'm just kidding. I love you.
We're on a Google service, and you just said fuck Google. This is probably gonna be like marked like not advertiser friendly now. Beep.
Oh God, no! We passed that a while back.
I need a beep button on here. You know, I got an email from YouTube saying one of my videos wasn't advertiser friendly. And also, what video could it be? GTA video, live stream? I don't know what it could be.
It's probably one of our. Is this a scam?
Nope. It was before I met you.
Oh really?
It was a live stream I did on Google Hangouts of me recording another video. It was like a live stream of me creating, like how I create videos. Back when I used a shitty camera, a desk.
Oh yeah, look at this! Look at this shit.
Oh wow, it worked.
Oh, that's some.
And you know what this is before I had softbox lighting. You know what I used for a light for videos?
Oh,
against my green screen. I had a desk light taped to the leg of my tripod.
Oh, that's even better than what I did. Hold on, let's. In the wall back here, I took 2 lamps and I took them apart and I duct taped them against the wall.
Yeah, like I literally had a red, like one of those bendy arm desk lamps. I had that taped to the leg of the tripod with packing tape, like brown packing tape. And yeah, that's basically what that was. It was hilarious too. But yeah, it got marked not advertiser friendly, so I had them review it again. And like within an hour, I got an email saying it was advertiser friendly and good to go. So I was kind of confused. I was like, oh, okay. my advertiser friendly video is not advertiser friendly for some reason. Yeah, we know the face cam's not even on the screen. It's because we made the screen bigger because we're showing coding, not face. But I can change it to a face. See? Well, it's gonna.
If you want, I mean, my face is kind of ugly.
I have a stream deck, so we can go a bunch of different scenes here, real quick. See, I got this one, that one, that one. I got that one, that one, that one, that one. There's nothing there because there's nothing.
Also, the reason why my face. Oh, yeah, I just realized that. But the reason why my face cam isn't on the screen is because Skype was sending my video through at like a 4:3 ratio. Yeah. So like a normal 16:9 or something like that. And so, wait, 16:9 is 4:3.
That doesn't make sense. Oh yeah, it does. Wait, no, it doesn't.
Oh no, it's not.
I was like, what are you talking? That doesn't make sense.
Yeah.
There'd be two different ones if they're the same thing.
Yeah. Just slightly dipshitted there.
Yeah, but like I can't turn the camera off the Skype video, so it's like I'm just showing a screen that way, and
it just showed no signal.
We know it's cut off. Like it's supposed to be like that.
What is this thing called here? Text Snapbox. Snapbox text. Oh God.
What are you doing?
This is like gonna be the shittiest piece of crap ever.
I mean, is it gonna be better than Chrome?
No.
Yo, you should send me the file for this so I can actually use it as a browser.
I'm gonna upload it to GitHub. Or Itch. Do you want me to upload it to Itch? Here, I don't
care where you upload it to.
We're gonna upload it to Itch, and it's gonna be great. It's gonna be my third official game.
It's not a game, it's a browser.
It could be a game if I want it to be a game. Try and be a bitch.
Oops, I'm just inappropriate almost came up there.
What?
Scroll up.
Oh, that?
Yeah. Oh, it's the anime. Isn't it?
Actually, no, it's not. It's not a very good game.
When it flashed by, I just saw like the boobs, and I was like, "What the hell is that?" And it flashed by so quick, I couldn't see like the top or the bottom. I just saw like the top, thinking that the rest of it was going to be the same. But I was like, "What the hell?"
It's not a very good game. I'll be honest here.
Come on. What happens when you use HP?
Yeah, you gotta love HP.
Everybody download the game now.
Shit, where do I... Did I seriously just forget how to put a game up on here? Upload a new project.
When you don't forget how to upload stuff to your own page. That's like me going to YouTube like, wait, how do I upload a video again?
Make sure to review our quality guidelines before posting a project.
Oh, so I can't put viruses up there? I can't upload viruses?
Eat my RAM browser. EMR.
AKA Chrome.
Eat. Oh shit, why can't I? EMR-browser. Short description or tagline.
AKA Chrome.
A POS browser.
Oh, you can't say POS. They might think it's point of sale.
Oh yeah, a piece. Can't type. A piece of shit browser.
Like, oh, sweet. A browser for my cash register so I can browse the internet and register cash.
What would this be considered? A game. A kind of project downloadable. No, it's gonna be HTML, so you have to have a web browser in order to use my web browser. Release status.
Never.
Cancelled.
That'd be stupid.
Minimum price $600.
Wait, you can actually charge for stuff on here?
Yeah, Golden Dungeon 2 is gonna be paid for game.
You're gonna be like, damn, if I spent time on that game, they're paying for it.
Well, Golden Dungeon 1 is gonna be free, which is the game I'm working on right now. So.
That's man.
I'll fill this soon. Okay, I should just be able to save it now. We'll go back to working on the browser. I'll finish developing this page in the POS browser.
See how that goes.
Let's see. So we should be able to go browser dot underscore main dot URL is equal to URL.
Surprising we haven't dropped any frames yet.
Yeah, it is.
As I said, they always 100% drop.
Huh. Navigate. Is that a function?
This seems to.
Yes.
So it'll tell you what it is, like what kind of item it is.
Yeah. There we go. So like if we were to look here and I hover over it, I could see, so let's just explain here. Void means it doesn't return anything, so I can't set it to another variable. Web browser, the type of object it is.
So wait, if it's void, then it doesn't return any information. It just does something. It just does a command, but it doesn't return a command.
Yeah, pretty much. Web browser is the object, so just saying we are a web browser object and not like a text box object. Navigate is the method name, and like what here is the string URL. String is the input parameters.
So
that should be able to.
So basically, a void one would be like the go button would execute a command, but it wouldn't return another command.
Yeah. So no, here. So let me just write a quick example. So if we have a private void piece of shit, and then we had a public int second piece of shit, return, here we go. So what? Okay, whatever. This will explain it kind of. Okay. It's an error, but whatever. So here we have a.
Here, keep talking. I'm gonna grab my phone charger.
So basically here it returns nothing. It doesn't return a data type of anything. So you can't just say like my bar is equal to piece of shit. Can't do that. But if you were to go into here, like do int bar, this one will return an int. Will return an int type, which is nice. So that way you can go like my bar is equal to second is equal to int piece of shit. So this is now equal to 0 because it is returning 0. You could have it like input do numbers, like let's say int num1, int num2, say int total, and say total equal to num1 plus num2, and instead of return total, so it put in like 2 and 9. So this time we're inputting like 2 and 9, which is our input parameters. And then we make a new variable here called total. We then set total to our 2 parameters added together. And then we return that total, which is set to my bar. Basically, we're doing more complicated. That's pretty much about it, honestly. Okay. So now
Honey,
you
I'm
got back.
home.
You got back as soon as I was done explaining that.
Oh, good. I won't pay.
Nice to know.
Actually, couldn't even hear you.
Well, did you mute it?
Mute what?
The stream.
Oh. Oh no, I didn't have my headphones on. I went to get my phone
Oh.
charger.
Okay, so let's see here. We should be able to type something in here. Maybe.
Or not.
Yeah, here we go.
Just gotta click it 45 times.
Press go. Yeah, so now it can actually like navigate and do things. So now we can go to like.
Oh, we're not to be right back.
Click be right back.
Yeah. I needed technical difficulties one.
Oh really?
No, I don't have one. I need one.
Oh. Give me a sec. Let's go to youtube.com/checkout.
Does it support Flash?
It's Internet Explorer based, so.
Oh, I guess so. Probably not.
You still watch Swashing?
Sometimes. Okay,
I don't really watch.
Look at the ad on the top.
There's no ad on the.
No,
oh.
that.
Yeah.
Whose channel is that? Oh,
So.
They're live streaming something.
Yeah, let's watch our own last year. So the only problem is that we don't have these buttons working, and you can't just click enter. It just throws an error. So we should be able to fix that nice and easily.
Is there a way you can do a history thing too?
Maybe.
In tabs?
Yeah, tabs wouldn't be too hard. I'm just trying to do something like fucking basic hell right now.
Basic. Like
yeah, basic bitch.
I just said that.
You said basic. I said it with basic bitch.
Yeah, but I said like right. We said it like at the same time.
Objects under. Let's see.
Why is it showing that I have 3? Why did you say I have 3 notifications? I don't. Okay, don't clear the notifications then, I guess. Basic. Isn't basic a coding language too?
Yeah. I learned basic at one point. I can't remember worth shit anymore.
Learning basic, teacher. What's your favorite? What do you want to name your program? Bitch. Why? Because I made it in basic, so it'll be a basic bitch.
I gotta learn basic again just for that.
To prevent possible data loss while loading the designer, the following errors must be resolved. Oh, we're using a Microsoft program and there's errors. What a surprise.
Well, it's not really errors, it's because I erased something without providing a correct way of doing something.
Remember in whenever we would shut down Windows Server 2003, it would ask why.
Yeah.
Because I want to, god damn it.
Yeah, why do you want to shut down Windows Server? Because I hate
no longer need it to be running and wasting my electricity. And like you put all these reasons, but you can never find like the log of like reasons.
Well, didn't we find it like at one point?
I think we did after like a while of searching.
Okay, so the rest of these buttons should be really quickly. They're just already inside the browser object. Oh yeah, I thought I got rid of that. Get out of here.
So how much RAM is this program using right
now? Not much. I can make it turn into a stress testing program.
How?
You want to know how I do that?
Open Chrome behind it and pretend.
Nope.
How'd you learn how to code?
Oh, that's a long story.
YouTube videos?
Well, yeah. Also, hold on, give me a second.
Can you put any amount of spaces you want?
Ow.
Alright, you got a book? Got the old book? Yep, got a book.
So, I own 3 different books, right?
Oh crap. I have an Xcode 5 book.
It's not bad.
Even though Xcode 5 is like a long time ago now. So, can you put any amount of spaces between them as you want, or is that like...
Oh yeah, like, I could do this.
Not that. I mean the lines.
Yeah, I could do that.
So it doesn't matter. It'll just keep going one to the other.
Yeah, pretty much. That changes when you get into... Python. That sucks.
So it is limited on there.
Huh?
So you're basically just telling it that when you push go, it's gonna go to the URL in the
so here, let me finish writing these buttons and I'll explain everything. Shouldn't take that many. Button back. Selection on browser.
But how do you? So when you do the back button, how do you tell it what the previous page was, or does it know?
The browser itself already knows and it holds a record of it. So it already.
So it just basically knows to go to the previous page.
Yeah.
Now, what would be the wording to tell it to go to the previous page? Oh, go back.
Yep.
So it'll give you, like, when you put that button there, it'll give you, like, quick commands or quick, like, shortcuts on what to tell it to do?
Yeah, so,
like
this is called this is called IntelliSense. And when you're using it, it shows you everything that you can do. So, for example...
So really, you don't need to know much about coding. Once you kind of get it started, you can kind of go and select through the list and choose what you want to do.
In some cases, yeah.
You just got to have a basic understanding.
But you also have to understand the syntax and just the very basic parts of it.
I used to get syntax errors on my calculator all the time. What the fuck does that mean?
Especially when you have a Inspire, like, top-of-the-line touchscreen calculator, and you would do nothing but play Tetris on it in the middle of the class last year.
What are you doing with the calculator? Math.
And when you forget to turn the sound off of it, so in the middle of class, the teacher just looks at you, and all of a sudden it's just playing the Tetris theme song.
Oops, wrong button.
Yeah. Shit, I'm in Tetris. Zach, yeah, fuck you.
Oops, that's not 2 plus 2.
There should be a reload.
Wouldn't it be, isn't there enough but a quarter?
Refresh. So really, that's about it. Let's see, save. So yeah, so first off, go is really simple. So when you hit go, up here I made a new variable called URL. It gets the text that's inside this box here by, let's see here, we go into here and go up here. The name of it, so that way in code you can access it. So it says text snap box, which is that text. Every single one of these parameters here can be accessed from inside the code. Basically, what we're doing is we're looking at this right here.
So text.
So by default,
So wait, the text right there. Okay, so when you when you hit the go button, it is assigned to it tells it to go to the text in the box.
Pretty much. And then
And since
yeah,
it's a web browser, it's already based off that. It's already
yeah, it already has a lot of code through.
yeah, it already knows what it's doing.
So then you just tell it to navigate to whatever the URLs through
So
here.
if you wanted to make a program like this from complete scratch, no like basic anything, how would you tell it to do that? Like if this wasn't based on Internet Explorer and we were doing this from like absolutely nothing.
I don't know that. I've never done that.
But is that even like really a thing anymore? Is there such thing as starting from absolutely nothing, or is there pretty much a starting place for most programs now?
There's a starting place for everything. Like for example, Opera
Mm-hmm.
is based off of Chromium.
Yeah.
Uh,
Cause
Firefox is based off of Netscape,
mm-hmm.
if anyone remembers that.
Yeah.
Chrome is an original. Chrome is by itself, and
It's not optimized for shit.
Yeah, it's not optimized version. But Chrome is one of those strong contenders. Even Edge is somewhat
On its own.
It's not no, it's mainly on its own, but it still has that slight embeddation into Internet Explorer. So you can't completely get rid of it.
Here's another question: File Explorer, even though it's not really it's a program, but you know what I mean when I say it's not a program. It's more.
It's based off Internet Explorer.
So, Internet Explorer and File Explorer are basically the same thing.
Yeah. If
File Explorer is just.
You use Windows XP, right?
Yeah. They were legit the same thing on that.
Oh yeah.
I mean, even now though, if I go to if I open actual, I don't have it on my desktop, I don't think. But if I open like actual Internet Explorer, and I go to if I go to.
So let me just show you this here. We're in File Explorer right now. Where to go? I haven't tried this in Windows 10. Hold on.
But if I go to C:/ on Internet Explorer, it's still going to open up my hard drive.
Should, in theory.
Yeah. I mean, if I'm not going to try it, but it probably will. Well, maybe I'll try this.
You can also do that in like Firefox.
Yeah, because it's just the browser can still go to local stuff on the system, right?
Yeah, in some cases. So, for example.
Yeah. Well, if I do it in Internet Explorer, it actually opens it in a File Explorer window.
Yeah, so you can go through here and you can go like.
I think Chrome will do it too. Oops, that's not calling.
Yeah, so you can see here that
it does. Chrome will actually pull up the index of it.
Yep, it does it on Firefox too.
That's not Chrome.
Most web browsers do have that basic function.
That's actually kind of cool because Chrome looks like a really shitty web page.
Firefox doesn't load one. That's too bad. Anyways, but yeah, that's pretty much all you need. So we should have a semi-completely functioning browser now.
Hey, do C:/
For?
In the browser, and not browser.
Oh, I didn't think of that. It might not work.
Two birds, one stone just made another File Explorer.
It might not work.
It should.
With the way you're expecting it to.
Do it. Open the program.
I did. It's opening.
It takes that long?
My computer's a piece of shit.
There's nothing in the program though. It's like a blank white space that is waiting on a command.
Oh, where'd it go?
I don't think it opened. I think it crashed.
Did it crash before it opened?
Probably. It's like magically just done. Did it crash again? This is acting like the first iOS program. Yeah, iOS app I developed.
Didn't start and didn't look like shit.
It was basically a white page. No, it started. It was just a white page though. I developed a white page. I should just put that in the app store. White page.
What is it
doing?
I do not know.
Yeah, we should play around in Xcode one day and actually upload something to the app store, even though it'll probably get denied because they're like super picky.
Are they?
Yeah.
Here, you know what? Fuck it.
Me and my friend, we used an app template online that you could make apps with to develop an app for his online radio station, and
Yeah.
it actually did get approved the second time around. But we had a thing that would take you to a URL, right, to listen to internet radio live.
Yep.
Well, when Apple reviewed the app, he didn't have anything playing, so they denied it because it wasn't usable 24/7, and the app did not have like constant usability, so they denied it.
Oh.
I can actually go into my developer thing and pull up the exact like reason and shit, but
Let's see. I should be able to go what? Bin, release, debug.
is it crashing or something? Or not? Is she acting up? I feel like Windows gives me a better understanding of like the file, like the files and stuff like that, like the file system and stuff like that. You know
What the
what I mean?
fuck? It's just not wanting to open.
Fuck.
It's not even throwing an error or anything, which
It's
is
not
so
doing
weird.
shit. I feel like Macs are kind of just too.
It's open. 22% of my CPU, bitch.
We doesn't use RAM. Uses all the CPU though.
Wait, did I leave well true in here? Oh, that might cause a little bit of problem.
Oh, is that why it was? Is that why she was acting up?
Maybe. Can't do shit with that.
Running right.
Oh fuck! I just started it again. God damn. Make this into a console program.
Why would you want that?
Well, like we could go here and we could make a new class and
Nice.
public.
How did Barnacle make that hard drive indicator?
I don't know. I never watched the video.
I can't look at copyrighted.
Wait, shit.
You think Barnacle would let us play his video on our stream?
I think it'd be auto copyright flagged.
It would, but I don't think he would give a shit. Barnacle seems like I don't give a shit person.
As long as you're not like straight up.
As long as you're not like bullying people. Actually, wouldn't playing the video in the stream to try it, wouldn't that be fair use anyway?
You gotta be careful with what Google considers fair use.
Yeah, because they don't follow the law. There's like, it's copyright anyway.
So now we should be able to go into like Form 1 and call shit show.
Technically, if we're like following along with it and talking with it, it would be fair use.
Within reason.
We're reacting to it. It's a reaction video. Streamers react to Barnacle's making a hard drive indicator. Disk not ejected properly. I didn't unplug anything, you piece of shit.
Okay, let's try this again. This might work now.
My Mac just said disk not ejected properly, just randomly and ejected the disk by itself.
Ain't that nice? Hey, yeah, it was me turning into a CPU cruncher program that just killed it.
Oh, it was like taking too much to open.
Well, no, it was never getting to the point of code to run it.
It was just trying to blow the CPU up.
Pretty much. Okay, so C:\\.
Still didn't get inner working.
Oh.
Oh shit! It actually pulls it up pretty nice. Don't open the porn folder. Stream's not rated X. Does back work? Oh shit. Purrs like a kitten.
I need to have this update.
You know what you should make in Studio?
In this?
No, I said you know what you should make in Visual Studio?
Yeah.
Another Visual Studio.
Do you know how much of a pain in the fucking ass it would be?
Just copy all the code. You should just copy and paste the code into it and export it again. Can you do that? Would that be possible?
In theory, yes.
But it would still be a pain in the ass for them because you have to find all the codes in different places.
Yeah.
You should. Can you send me the files for this program just like in Skype?
And I'm sorry?
Can you just send like the files to the program in Skype and see if it'll open on my rig?
I should just need to send over the exe. Hold on.
Yeah, just
I want to try something.
shoot it on over.
I will shoot them on over.
What is that? Cat dog draft. See what?
Oh, it's for a game.
Oh.
Okay. Here, let's go to
a shitty program on my computer.
Let's go to shitshow.com.
I feel like I should change the input real quick.
It's not even loading, so you should be fine.
It's probably not even a real website.
This is true.
Does this have the ability to pull error pages up for websites that don't exist?
Yeah.
You just didn't feel like doing it then?
You should. Let's go to Goggle.
Go to Goggle?
Yeah, let's go to Goggle.
Send me the exe. Send me the exe.
Exe?
Yeah, that's what that stands for, right? Exe.
G. How do you spell Goggle?
Wait, Goggle. Oh. Oh, you're not trying to go to Google. You're actually trying to go to Goggle.
Google.
Watch it redirect to Google.
Oh.
Oh, that's actually a website.
Ooh.
Try. I think it's only one O. Watch that be a website. Oh.
Yeah.
So it just pulls up the default internet. If you send me this, I'll actually legit use it as a browser.
Using the shitty web. Oh.
Using
Goggle redirects to Google.
I figured it would.
Like the shitty web browser challenge.
I think aple.com redirects to Apple.
APLE? MSFT should redirect to Microsoft. I mean, if we're just gonna take like stock market names and
Yeah, it does.
what, MSFT?
No.
Oh. MSFT just redirects to this.
APLE goes to Apple.
See, I think
MFST?
MSFT. It's Microsoft's stock market name.
Maybe their stock market shit's the bed. Network Solutions. How long do you think this has been coming soon?
Look at the chat, my dude.
Oh, do I want to know?
Oh my god.
What? I don't even know what to say to that. Should I read it aloud in the stream or should I not?
No.
Let's see.
Oh,
Wait, oh fuck, why is it not working? Mouse over here.
Start moaning in jealousy.
Report. Oh, there we go.
No, don't report the guy.
Why? Can't be going around and commenting that shit.
I'll do that.
YouTube shit in the bed enough as it is. We don't need people like that going around. You're affecting my income. I'm poor now.
I'm me?
No, me. Him.
I'm like, bitch, please.
Send me the exe.
Oh, god damn. Calm your tits.
Report. Should have a report button on my stream dick.
Oh, you know what I forgot to do? What? You know what I forgot to do?
What?
Before I'm gonna send you the itch link because you know what I forgot to do?
No.
I forgot to
What did you forget to do?
We have to finish the itch page, don't we? Oh, I can't maximize it this yet.
Why can't you maximize it?
Because I fucked it all up. Itch.io.
What's IO stand for?
I don't know, it's just the thing that they use.
Can you have like a dot anything now?
Pretty much.
Wait, what determines the dot? Whatever.
Oh shit.
Ah, acting up already. Run like Chrome. RAM maxed out.
I should check like Task Manager. Eat
No,
my oh shit.
you should call it eat my CPU. What's up? Why isn't it 100%? What's
Oh
using the
my feet
rest?
everything else.
Yeah, with like 0.3 is like what? Somebody commented something on my channel and I don't know what they said.
I liked it.
Wait, what? Oh, great, he commented again.
Twice. 3 times.
Oh no, he asked. The last one was an ask. Or no, I don't know. Let's see.
That awkward moment when you are furiously smashing your blooded forehead against the wall with screaming at God for birthing you into this never-ending void of unrelenting agony. I have never heard anything more relatable. and he, what? Cody didn't do anything wrong.
What did he do? Wait, what?
You fucking deleted the message?
What Cody say?
That awkward moment when you are furiously smashing your blooded forehead against the wall with screaming at God for birthing you into this never-ending void of unrelenting agony.
Oh, I didn't mean to delete that one. It was the freaking bar, the little hamburger menu only show like it's like one up.
Oh.
I was wondering why they didn't all delete, and I was like, what the hell? And I was like, oh, oops. Cody, recomment your comment when you're out of time now.
Yeah, God, Cody's was relatable. The Skype's taken up almost as much as my browser.
Goddamn Skype. Send it as a super chat so I make some money off your stupid ass comments.
No, don't.
What?
No, this is completely shit, but
I'm trying to make a living off YouTube, okay?
I want to. Here, I'm just gonna send it to you. Have fun.
Somebody subscribed. Probably not any of the people I just deleted their comments.
Can I send it through Skype anymore? Is that like a thing I can do?
Oops. Can you send what?
Can I send a file through like Microsoft's new version of Skype?
No, I don't want inappropriate images on Skype.
Send.
Watch it blow up my computer.
That's all that you should need.
Oh, my computer's blue screened.
Oh yeah.
No, you dumbass, I'm still talking to you. I haven't used a computer before if it's blue screen, it's not running. Download. Accept. My RAM browser. Oh, saved it to documents, whatever. Let's see, let me switch to my screen. Documents. Switch documents. Ah, fuck you.
What?
Not you. I'm talking to Windows. It said Windows protected your PC. Windows Defender Smart Screen prevented an unrecognized app from starting. Running this app might put your PC at risk. Run anyway. Oh, it opened! It works so much faster on my computer too. Why can't I minimize it?
I disabled it.
How? Now I have to scroll like for 5 miles to do anything. How quickly does it load the Apple website? Oh, enter doesn't work. An error has occurred on the script on this page. Oh, it doesn't load certain things right. What the fuck? Stop.
It's based off of Internet Explorer, dude.
Yeah, but I tried to go to the Apple website and I get like 406 script errors. Oh, I keep forgetting the goddamn enter button doesn't work. Can I remember my passwords in it?
I can store them in plain text and forcefully post them to my Twitter bot.
Well, that's not very safe.
I can actually like legit.
So every time I save my password, it's just gonna tweet out on your bot.
Yeah.
Oh, that's great. Here, let me log into my bank account real quick.
Oh shit. I can make it do that too, and you would never know.
Why would? Because I follow your bot account, so I just start seeing my passwords that come up.
Well, the typical user would never know. Anyone want to play a game of Snake?
No, snakes are goofs.
If you want to play a game of Snake, you can go to my account and download my version of Snake.
Does it run like
It's
absolute shit, or is it gonna store all my passwords?
you know, post all your scores.
Yeah, I know that. But I don't think any of the password. I don't think I have my password set to any of the scores. So.
And your password's 1234, and you get a 1234 score.
Yeah. Shit. Leaked.
When you post a seeing a meme and you get doxxed.
How long did it take you to make Snake?
With school, it took me about 2 weeks, but by itself, it probably would have taken me a day.
Is it gonna tweet the score out?
Yeah.
How does it know to do that?
Some really complicated code.
It's smart.
Not really. It's quite dumb.
Did you see the review on my vacuum cleaner?
No, I have not yet. I'm sorry, but I only watch quality content.
You didn't want to watch the stuff that sucked.
Nah.
I get it.
Oh.
That
was bad, my dude.
You didn't want to watch a video about something that sucks? I should put that in the description too. This product sucks. Literally.
I'm actually rather decent at Snake too.
What's your high score?
Wait, what the fuck? Oh yeah, I forgot about that. That's fucking the game.
What, did it like totally wraps around it and just fucks up?
Well, when you turn left and up really fast, it has a chance of like spawning you inside of yourself.
Oh, and then you're fucked.
But if you die, there's
version 1.1.
There's a bug in all versions of Snake that I have, where you can just continue playing on no matter what.
Wait, you're still playing right now?
Yep.
So you can just die and keep going?
Yeah, so watch. I'll die. I press escape to bring up the pause menu, and I press resume.
What the fuck? So you can just get like an infinite... Wait, did it tweet the score out?
Yeah, it did. It just tweeted it twice.
I see it.
You should like it.
That is pretty cool.
I'm just gonna get to 50 and then I'll turn it off.
I just saw a tweet. It says, it's like some dude, I'm gonna go to bed early today. And then me at 3 a.m. and it has a Google search bar. How tall is Jesus?
Okay, I hit 50. I'm gonna stop now. Fuck.
That's pretty funny. Do you ever do that though, like where you're like about to go to sleep and you think about something, you have to Google it, and you can't
Oh,
sleep
yeah.
until you figure out the answer?
So many times. Okay. Well, that's about it. I mean, we made a browser. That's basically the entire point of the stream.
Are you quitting the stream?
Not really. I mean, we finished our purpose.
Our purpose in life is complete.
Yep. So, as I said before, if you want to keep in touch, I guess you could say, or you want to see more of my developments, you can go to my YouTube channel, or go to xenix.itch.io, which you can maybe see some of my stuff on. Where is it?
Did you see Barnacle tweet about the Home Depot store credit?
No.
He goes, that moment when you find a $500 store credit card to Home Depot while cleaning out your wallet and you forgot about, time to fix my house.
Oh my god. So anyways, if you guys want to check out any of the games I make, or whatever, go to xenix.itch.io. I have my two main things here, but I'm releasing the first beta to a new game I'm making
next year.
Sometime in the coming months. But I should have a video probably like Thursday. of behind the scenes stuff.
Oh, my Mac just shit the bed.
So that's my plug.
Oh, they didn't comment anything else.
You piss people today.
My Mac shit the bed. Time to send it in for repairs. JK. I'd be pissed if my Mac broke. That would suck. Ass. I've never had a Mac break though. Windows computer shit the bed.
So you gonna stop the stream or what?
Did you want to shut it down?
Yeah, we've been going for an hour and 45 minutes.
Oh, wait. Okay, so we're ending it here, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And check out Xenix's channel at...
Oh, my channel doesn't have a custom URL.
Oh, it's like YJ slash blah, 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 blah. Well, I'll link it in the description. Maybe if I don't forget, I forgot already, so it's not getting linked. Have a great night, everybody. We'll talk to you later. And don't forget to subscribe to me, because he doesn't have any videos.